Had a bit of a niggle in my knee. It's been aching a little bit, especially as I climb stairs, and I've not had a chance to really check it out. So I thought, let's give it a go. So the first time I tried it, lying on the bed, and you suggested I use the paddle on the knee. You know, we did it. It was a great experience. You know, those little jolts, and you're thinking, you don't know whether it's going to work or not. But I think I then came and saw you yesterday, the day after, and I wasn't conscious of it, but I realized actually that knee pain's not there as I was climbing. And I thought, okay, is it placebo or whatever? And I thought, anyway, so the second session, I said, okay, look, focus on the knee. And, you know, this morning, I'm going up the escalator. I thought, no, I'm not going to be stationary. I'm going to walk. So I was forcing that knee. I'm trying to make it hurt. And it wasn't. I just couldn't believe it. And I thought, okay, do you know what? I'm here for the final day. Let's just get this third treatment. And I thought, you know, probably don't need it. But, you know, if there's healing properties in there, why not? And I think, you know, it's akin to magic. It's akin to magic, isn't it? And I feel great. I feel energized. I just feel limber. 2 10-minute sessions. And do you know what? Knowing that pain's not there gives me that freedom and the confidence just to be more mobile, not worrying, oh, am I going to hurt myself? Is it going to hurt me? And it's so freeing, you know? It's liberating. I think it's amazing. Thank you. Thank you.